everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics for Scholars. So today we will solve the question number 9 of new science book of grade 9 from chapter 4 describing motion around us. So the question is, a car starts from rest and accelerates uniformly to 20 meter per second in 5 seconds. Okay, so from this first sentence it is clear the initial velocity of car is 0 meter per second. Okay, and the final velocity of car is 20 meter per second. After how much time? 5 seconds. So here we have u, v and t. So we can calculate distance for this first phase by using average velocity formula. So distance equals to average velocity into time. Now average velocity is u plus v by 2 and time is t. So put these values: initial velocity 0, velocity final velocity 20 and divided by 2. So you will get distance equals to 50 meters. Okay, now read the second sentence of this question. It then travels at 20 meter per second for 10 seconds. It means for 10 seconds, the velocity of car is constant, which is 20 meter per second. Again, we will calculate the distance for this phase. So this will be our second phase. So in the second phase, the distance covered by car equals to velocity into time. So 20 into 10 meter per second into second, which will be 200 meter. Now let's see the third phase. In third phase, what is happening? The car applies the brake with uniform acceleration and stop in 6 seconds. So in third phase, the initial velocity will be 20 meter per second. Final velocity will be 0 meter per second because car is going to be stopped and time will be 6 seconds. So you can calculate distance for third phase by using average velocity formula. So distance equals to average velocity into time, which will be 60 meter. Okay. So now we have the distance covered by car in 3 phases. Now we will add all these 3 distances. So we will have final answer. The total distance traveled by the car throughout the entire motion is 300 meters. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if it is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.